Hello and welcome to this session. Today, we will focus on understanding the role of strategic leadership and management in delivering organizational change. In a rapidly evolving business environment, organizations must continuously adapt to remain competitive and effective. Strategic leadership and management are pivotal in guiding these transformations, ensuring that change is not only implemented, but also sustained over time. In this session, we will explore how strategic leadership and management drive organizational change. We will examine the critical roles they play in initiating change, managing its delivery, and embedding it into the organizational culture. Additionally, we will highlight the key elements and approaches that underpin successful transformation, equipping you with insights to navigate and lead change effectively in today's dynamic organizational landscape. Strategic leadership provides direction and urgency for change. Leaders identify when change is necessary through analysis and feedback. They articulate a clear vision and explain why change is needed. Without clarity, change efforts lack credibility. Effective leaders communicate openly and align change with organizational values. Strategic management turns leadership intent into structured execution. Managers translate vision into plans and measurable objectives. They allocate resources and ensure continuity during change. This dual focus on stability and transformation is challenging. Effective management is crucial for successful change implementation. Decision-making is central to delivering change. Strategic leaders make high-level choices about scope and priorities. Managers handle operational decisions affecting employees. Poor coordination leads to confusion and inconsistency. Alignment across leadership levels is essential for effective change. Capability building is crucial for successful change. Organizations need skills and systems to support transformation. Leaders must invest in training and new ways of working. Strategic management ensures performance systems reinforce change. Ignoring capability building can lead to change failure. Effective stakeholder management is essential in change. Change affects employees, customers, and investors. Strategic leaders balance competing interests and make trade-offs. Ignoring stakeholders can trigger resistance and reputational damage. Open communication with stakeholders is key to successful change. Embedding change requires consistent messaging and role modeling. Change is complete when new behaviors become normal. Leaders reinforce change through accountability. Managers monitor performance and gather feedback. Sustaining change is as important as its initial implementation. Amazon exemplifies strategic diversification and internationalization. It expanded beyond retail into cloud computing and digital streaming. AWS transformed Amazon's business model and profitability. Internationalization involved adapting to local markets and regulations. Amazon's strategic options reduced dependence on retail margins. Amazon combines cost leadership with differentiation. Efficient logistics and automation drive cost leadership. The Prime ecosystem enhances differentiation with fast delivery. This hybrid approach challenges competitors on price and service. Amazon's competitive strategy is difficult to match. Interactive strategies involve continuous customer engagement. Amazon uses real-time data to refine products and pricing. Strategic decisions are shaped by user interaction. This approach contrasts with top-down planning. Amazon's strategy evolves through feedback and data. Amazon operates a multi-sided platform business model. It connects customers, sellers, advertisers, and service providers. AWS uses a subscription and usage-based model. Prime builds customer loyalty through bundled services. Amazon's business models create diverse revenue streams. Deliberate strategies are intentional actions set by leadership. Amazon's logistics infrastructure investment was deliberate. Emergent strategies develop in response to opportunities. AWS emerged as a business from internal solutions. Amazon balances deliberate planning with emergent opportunities. Strategic capabilities are skills and resources enabling strategy execution. Amazon's capabilities include advanced data analytics and supply chain management. Cloud infrastructure, expertise, and innovation culture are key. These capabilities support rapid adaptation and change. Amazon excels in leveraging strategic capabilities. Organizational change involves moving to a desired future state. It responds to internal or external pressures. Change as a concept is about adaptation and survival. As a process, it involves planning and managing people. Embedding new behaviors is crucial for success. Change types include developmental, transitional, and transformational. Netflix's transition from DVD rental to streaming is an example. Levels of change range from alpha to gamma. Gamma change affects organizational mindset and identity. Change types and levels determine the approach needed. Change is driven by technology and competition. Declining DVD demand forced Netflix to change. Change affects emotions like fear and uncertainty. Resistance often stems from lack of control or clarity. Addressing emotions is key to managing change psychology. Common barriers include fear of job loss and lack of communication. Cultural resistance and skill gaps also hinder change. Leadership inconsistency can undermine change efforts. Netflix faced resistance from legacy operations employees. Overcoming barriers is essential for successful change. Lewin's model involves unfreezing, changing, and refreezing. McKinsey's model focuses on organizational alignment. Kotter's theory emphasizes leadership-driven change. Bridges' model deals with human transition. These models provide frameworks for managing change effectively. Change implementation today is not linear or top-down. Siemens combines structure with adaptability. Planned change works in stable environments. Emergent change responds to real-time learning. Collaboration and innovation are key to modern change approaches. Technology-driven change uses automation and AI for efficiency. Siemens uses AI for predictive maintenance. Environmental protection focuses on reducing impact. Siemens aims for carbon neutrality through energy efficiency. Sustainability integrates environmental and economic goals into strategy. Siemens shows effective change needs planned and emergent approaches. Strategic leaders provide direction and investment. Managers enable collaboration and innovation. Technology and sustainability are core change drivers. Change implementation is a continuous process. Conclusion: strategic leadership and management are essential for driving organizational change. They offer clear direction, effective execution, and ensure sustainability. By recognizing and applying their roles, organizations can achieve meaningful and lasting transformation. Should you need any assistance, please send a WhatsApp message to 07484361688. We're happy to help. Thanks for your participation, and see you next time.